Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take the standalone camera out of the action pod on Insta360 GO Ultra. Okay, so you can see the standalone camera is this little part, and the action pod is the other part with the display and with all the different buttons. If you want to take the standalone camera out, simply press and hold on this little button right here, and then take the camera out. It's attached with a magnet, so you can simply very easily take it out. And now you can see I have it separately. They are still connected, so that's great. And if you want to put them back together, make sure to align the pins so they go on the bottom. And now it's in. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.